Scrum. What Scrum is and how it works. Scrum is an agile framework for developing and sustaining complex products in short, time-box sprints. In every sprint, the aim is to create at least one done increment that is usable, not just partially finished work. Scrum works through empiricism, which means learning from what is actually happening, inspecting real results, and adapting decisions based on evidence rather than assumption. Scrum values and empiricism in action. Scrum is grounded in commitment, focus, and openness, together with respect and courage. Those values help the team work honestly and effectively, especially when the work is difficult or uncertain. They support the 3 pillars of empiricism as well. Transparency makes work and quality visible. Inspection helps issues surface early. And adaptation allows the team to change course quickly when the evidence shows it should. Scrum accountabilities and shared ownership. Scrum has 3 accountabilities that work together to create value. The product owner maximizes value by clarifying priorities and shaping the product goal. The Scrum Master enables Scrum by coaching, facilitating, and helping remove impediments. Developers create the increment and plan the work needed to meet the sprint goal. This is not a hierarchy. It is a collaborative system built around shared outcomes, clear decision-making, and transparent trade-offs. Scrum events and why they exist. Scrum events create a regular cadence for planning, inspection, and improvement. The sprint provides a container for all the work. Sprint planning sets the goal and the initial plan. The daily Scrum helps developers inspect progress and adapt the next step toward the sprint goal. The sprint review brings stakeholders in to inspect the outcome and adjust direction. And the sprint retrospective improves how the team works. These are not status meetings. Each event should create learning, decisions, or adaptation. Scrum artifacts and commitments that create clarity. Scrum artifacts make the work visible, so inspection is meaningful. The product backlog is guided by the product goal, which gives longer-term direction and coherence. The sprint backlog is guided by the sprint goal, which keeps the team aligned while allowing flexibility in the details. The increment must meet the definition of done, which makes quality transparent and usable outcomes real. In Scrum, the goal stays stable during the sprint, while scope can adapt as learning happens. Scaling Scrum and avoiding common misuses. When Scrum scales across teams, the priority is frequent integration, not separate local progress. That is why teams need a shared definition of done, early visibility of dependencies, and coordination around one product direction. Common misuses break this learning system quickly. The daily Scrum becomes a status report, velocity becomes a pressure target, and teams lose focus on real outcomes. Good Scrum restores transparency, protects empiricism, and keeps attention on integrated increments, stakeholder feedback, and adaptation based on evidence. Learn more on agilesm.net.